Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another advent calendar unboxing to share with you. And I have got Bubble T's advent calendar for 2020. And this is their Ultimate Star advent calendar full of bath and body treats. Inside contains 24 products. It's got listed on the back here all the products that are inside. I'm getting different wafts of smells. I can't wait to open this up. Bubble Tea do the most amazing, fun, fruity scents for like shower gels, etc. I love them. I do really love them. They did have a subscription, but they've stopped that now. They had a shower gel subscription, which I thought was quite cool. It was about £5 a month and you receive 2 of the larger shower gels, but I don't think they do them anymore. But anyway, I'm going to be opening this up day by day, showing you exactly what's inside. The cost of this advent calendar is £30 and I bought it off the Next website. I'll pop a link down in my description, as well as a link to all my other advent calendar playlists. And also I've got a giveaway to win an advent calendar as well if you're interested in taking a look. All that will be listed down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to opening day number 1. Over here. Ooh. It's like the Benefit advent calendar, but you can't get them out. I'm gonna have to get some scissors. Hold on. We've got a little bath bomb. Now, even though all the products are listed on the back here, it doesn't tell you like number 1 is this, number 2 is that, etc. So there's no point me looking on the back because I haven't got a clue. But anyway, I'll just show you. We've got a little bath bomb. Oh, it does smell really nice. What are you though? What are you? I'm useless at scents. This is not an advent calendar for me really, is it? It is for me to use, but not to describe what anything is. I can smell mint and lemongrass and all that, but could be a very berry bath fizzer. I don't know, I'm just guessing. Anyway, so we've got a little bath bomb, bath fizzer in day 1. Day number 2 here. They're stuck with glue on the back of them. That's why they are hard to come out. But we've got a Moroccan Mint Tea, and this is an invigorating hand cream. And there's 20 mils here. Oh, I love anything mint. Pop it open. See, these scissors are coming in handy, aren't they? Oh, that's nice. That is so nice. It's not strong mint. It's not strong, but it feels really lovely as well. Nice and soft on my hands. Yeah, what is it? Moroccan Mint Tea. Yeah, it's really, really nice. So that's day number 2. Day number 3 up here. This is a Lemongrass and Green Tea Uplifting Body Scrub. And there's 20 mils here. Pop the top. This is body scrub, so I don't need to test it on my hand. I just want to smell it. No, that's lovely. That is really nice. I don't think I've ever tried any of their body scrubs before. I don't think I have. Lemongrass and green tea. It sounds lovely. Number 4 down here. I've got 2 little balls. There must be something on the back here. I can't see any information to describe what these are, but my guess is that they're little balls you put into the bath and then they dissolve. Possibly lemongrass. So there's 2 little balls. Number 5. This is a Moroccan Mint Tea. I love the smell, and this is an invigorating shower gel, and there's 20 mils here. Again, I know what it smells like because I've got the hand cream on my hand, but I just got to sniff it. I've just got to sniff it. They're all sealed. That's what if you're wondering why I'm using scissors to get in them. I can just smell. Very, very faint. Number 6 up here. Oh, we've got a tea bag. We've got a tea bag. I love these. I had a pack of 3 of these in I think it was a mystery gift box, subscription box I had. Just pop one in the bath and you just let it infuse in the warm water. They are so cute, so cute. So it just says here, drop 1 infusion tea bag under warm running water, allow a short time for the bath salts to dissolve and infuse the bathtub. It says on the back there's a few of these tea bags in the calendar, but I wish it had like indoor 1, it's this, indoor 2, you know? It just, yeah, just would have made things a little bit easier. But I love these. Little teeny tiny little tea bag things there. Number 7 down here. This is a lemongrass and green tea nourishing body lotion, and there's 20 mils here. It looks like all the shower gels and creams are all like 20 mils. Just try a little bit on my arm up there. My arms actually are in need of some moisturisation. They are feeling a little bit dry. Yeah, I can smell the lemongrass. Yeah, really nice. I forgot what day we were now. I think that was day number 6. No, it was day number 7, so we're on day number 8 now. Down here, a little bar fizzer. Green must be Moroccan Mint Tea, isn't it? That's what I'm thinking. I can't really smell it. I can just smell what's on my arms and my hand. So you've got a little bar fizzer there. Day number 9. We've got another hand cream. This is Hibiscus and Açai Berry Tea. It's an invigorating hand cream. And again, 20 mils. And it's going to be all blended together with different scents. Oh, that is my favourite. That is my favourite so far. It smells a little bit of rhubarb as well. That's my favourite item in the box so far, or the advent calendar I should say. So we've got a hand cream. Day number 10. We've got more little balls. It's strange that it doesn't mention it. Really, really strange. Can you see there? You might not be able to see because you can see the ring light reflecting now. So we got 2 little balls there that I'm assuming melt when you put them in the bath. Day number 11, we've got something new. It's in the range, and this is a very berry tea, and this is an invigorating shower gel, and there's 20 mils here as well. Oh, that is so nice. It reminds me so much of a squash I used to have. Maybe when the kids were smaller, maybe, I don't know. I love fruity things. I love, love, love fruity things. So yeah, it's very berry tea shower gel. Halfway through, day number 12. And we've got a Moroccan mint tea. We've got a body lotion. What have we had so far? We've got a hand cream and a shower gel so far. So we've got a body lotion now. And again, there's 20 mils there. I'm not going to put this on because I know what the smell is like. Yeah, it's nice. It's a very subtle mint smell. I'm starting to find it really hard to find the numbers now. Look. Number 13. Ah, we've got another one of those bar fizzers. How on earth am I supposed to grab that? They're hard enough to get out. I think this is lemongrass and green tea. If we're going by the colours, I don't know. I don't know what it is. But it's another bar fizzer. But I'm assuming, you know, everything is following suit with the different scents. It smells more of a perfume. I don't know. So there's that. Day number 14 over here. We've got another Moroccan green tea, but this is a body scrub. It's got 20 mils. It says don't drink me. So we've got a body scrub. Number 15 up here. This calendar is falling to pieces now. Look. Oh my gosh. Oh, we got the hibiscus and acai berry, and this is the shower gel. And it's 20 mils. Oh, the smell is just so, so nice. It is quite a strong smell. So with the others, they seem to be quite subtle. It is really, really nice. I really like that. It's got a shower gel. Right, where am I? Number 16 over here. And we've got a green one. This has got to be the Moroccan green tea, isn't it? And this is another little tea bag. They are so cute. I love the idea of this. And again, it says don't drink me there. I can't really smell much through it. A little bit, maybe. A little bit. But we got some bath salts in there. 17 down the bottom here. We've got a very berry tea nourishing body lotion. And again, 20 mils. I do like this one as well. Am I going to smell it? Oh, I'm going to smell it again. I think I'm going to have to. Oh, got a thing for berries, I think. Saying that, I'm obsessed with lemons, oranges, and oh yeah, citrus, berries, just fruit in general, I think. No. Okay then, number 18, where are you? Up the top here. Do you make as much mess opening up calendars? No, I do. Oh, the drawers are so much easier in advent calendars, aren't they? This is another very berry tea, and this is an invigorating hand cream. That's 20 mils there. 19 here. We've got some green balls. This has got to be the Moroccan green tea ones, aren't they? So we've got little balls there. 20 at the top here. And we've got a lemon and green tea invigorating shower gel. And there's 20 mils there. So there's 4 distinct different ranges, isn't there? I don't think we're going to see anything new now. We might do, but we've got the lemongrass and green tea, we've got Moroccan Mint Tea, we've got the Hibiscus and Açai Berry Tea, we've got the Very Berry Tea. That is it, there's 4 of them. But there's that. So number 21, you're well hidden. Oh my word, look at that. We've got another tea bag. And this is going to be the Hibiscus Açai Berry one. I can just smell it. I can just smell it. Oh, lovely, lovely. So you've got a bath salt tea bag there. Okay, 22. There's 24 down there. 22. Ah, there. And we've got a lemongrass and green tea invigorating hand cream. And again, 20 mils. There's that. So 24's there, so 23 up here. I might as well just rip this open to get at it. Oh, we've got a hibiscus and acai berry, and this is a nourishing body lotion. And there's 20 mils there. Oh, shall I open that one as well? Got to. Oh, such a nice smell. I'm gonna have to look on their website to see about full size shower gel. Oh, gorgeous. So there's that. Day number 24, the last door on the advent calendar, and I'm just going to rip it like that because it's just easier. And it's one of those bath fizzers. And this is a gold one. I haven't got a clue which one this is because we've had green, pink and yellow, but we've got a gold one. I don't know what that is. So we got a gold bath fizzer. So those are all the products inside this year's Bubble Tea Advent Calendar. Cost of the Advent Calendar is £30. Now it doesn't have a value, but if you love bubble tea, I'm sure you would love this calendar. It's featuring 4 of, I'm assuming, their best-selling scents. And in each range you've got a tea bag, bath crystals, you've got a bath fizzer, got some squidgy balls. I'm assuming they melt in the bath. You've got hand creams, shower gels, body scrubs and body creams as well. But what I would love to see is something different, because I've seen these ranges before. I might not have tried them before, but I have seen them before. I'm just thinking of when I subscribed to their subscription box and I saw their shower gels, you know, watermelon shower gels. We've had strawberry, we've had kiwi, there's lots, and avocado is one of them as well. There's lots of other products out there that I do think it would have been nice to put in this advent calendar. So yeah, so that's the only thing I would say, but I do think £30 is an affordable advent calendar, especially if you love your bath and body products. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this advent calendar? Have you bought it yourself this year, or are you watching this wondering if this is for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.